What we do at Results Marketing is to help you promote and market your firm. Trade shows are one of the most effective ways to do so. How do you get new folks to remember you? Well, that's a great question. The answer lies in the power of 3. It takes 3 impressions for someone to remember who you are. This isn't just a business thing. You have to make yourself memorable. I mean, unless you're Natalie Portman or Sandra Bullock, Anne Hathaway, Erin Andrews, Tracy Wolfson, Kelly Ripa, Jennifer Love Hewitt, Jennifer Lopez, Megan Fox. I'm sorry, what were we talking about? Oh yeah, the power of 3. 3 impressions. Let's test out our theory. Mom? Mom? Mom?
What?
Yep, it takes 3 impressions to get attention. So what's the best way to get your brand through 3 times at a trade show? 1. Get a list of attendees and send them an invitation to visit your booth. 2. Enclose a promotional item or a part of one, like the lid to a travel mug, and invite the attendee to see you for the rest of the gift at the show. 3. Be aggressive and encourage interaction at the show. Your booth and the graphics are like a billboard on a highway. They're designed to get folks to turn their heads. You need to reach out and get them to stop and hear your story. You can do this with props or toys, or simply stepping into the aisle and asking a leading question. For those that were invited and have a pre-show gift, make sure you qualify them completely before giving them the travel mug or whatever the second part of the gift may be. Never, never, never leave promotional items out on your table for people to grab. How the products are presented will show what value you place on them. Even an inexpensive product will have greater value when they're reserved for those that take the time to talk to you. When you follow up, and this is the most important step, most of your competition will not. So when you do, enclose a package of coffee or a gift card for a cup of joe to encourage use of the mug. Too many people just expect new clients to flock in after exhibiting at a show. The follow-up will set you apart. Count on us at Results Marketing to help you stand out at your next trade show. Our mom wouldn't have named us Results Marketing if that wasn't what we did.
Yeah.